Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're traveling to the coast of India to explore a legendary sea fortress known as the Shivalanka, the Sindhudurg Fort. Built right in the middle of the Arabian Sea, this architectural marvel has been standing tall against the ocean's might for over 350 years. In this video, we'll uncover its incredible history, its brilliant engineering, and why it's a must-visit destination. Let's dive right in. The story of Sindhudurg Fort begins in 1664 under the vision of the great Maratha king, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He needed a powerful naval base to protect the coast and challenge foreign invaders. The fort was built on a rocky island called Kurte. What's truly mind-blowing is the engineering. Over 4,000 kilograms of molten lead were used just to lay the foundation, ensuring that the salty seawater and massive waves would never shake its base. The king himself is said to have personally supervised its construction. One of the most tactical features of Sindhudurg is its main entrance. It's designed in the Gomukhi or cow mouth style, making it completely invisible from a distance. This was a brilliant move to deceive enemies and protect the heart of the fort. Even today, the massive walls of the fortress stand as an invincible shield against the crashing waves of the Arabian Sea. Inside the walls, there are some unique treasures. First is the Shivrajeshwar Temple, the only temple in the world dedicated to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, where he is depicted in a meditative posture. You can also find the actual handprints and footprints of the king preserved in the fort walls. But perhaps the most mysterious part? Despite being surrounded by the salty ocean, the fort has 3 freshwater wells, Dudhbav, Dahibav and Sakharbav, that still provide sweet drinking water today. If you're planning to visit, you'll need to take a boat from the Malvan jetty. Keep in mind, the fort is inaccessible during the monsoon season, so the best time to go is between October and May. Besides exploring the history, you can also enjoy world-class scuba diving in the clear waters surrounding the fort. Sindhudurg Fort isn't just a historical site, it's a living testament to ancient naval engineering and bravery. What do you think about this fortress in the sea? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more travel and history adventures. Thank you for watching, and if you need any more information, just ask me in the comments.